Guys, it's your boy the Google of Lagos. Welcome to Ballers Club, the biggest club currently now in Victoria Island. Those of you coming from outside country, from different places in the world, if you want to ball on December 14th. And again, guys, if your car is not up to 100 million, you can't enter to this club. Oh. I'm so sorry. If your car is not up to 100 million, if you're not driving an Urus, GLE 2023, 2024, you know if you get reservation, I'm so sorry. So guys, if you know your car is up to 100 million naira, send a DM to Ballers Nigeria. Let's fuck some shit up December 14. So December 14 will be a great event. There will be red carpet from the road down to Ballers. It's going to be massive. On that very day, there will be a winner for best stream, best car color, best car, best entrance. You can bring any type of car. You can bring Hurricane. You can bring different cars. Because me and they go Mayfair Autos, go steal my own car. Come. I can go borrow car that day. So if your car is not up to 100 million, don't send DMO. Don't carry Corolla, come back. Get your table reservation. Send the DM to Ballers Nigeria. Now, let's enjoy ourselves. There will be a lot of lagata. That's massive, baby. I have crazy lagatas here. Oh.